Today we're going to be solving the Leetcode daily 1347 minimum number of steps to make two strings anagrams. So it says it's a medium problem, but this is closer to an easy problem. So let's go ahead and read the description. You are given two strings of the same length, S and T. In one step, you can choose any character of T and replace it with another character. Return the minimum number of steps to make T an anagram of S. And then here's the definition of an anagram. An anagram of a string is a string that contains the same characters with different or the same order. So if you look at this example, BAB is S and then ABA is T. And then it replaces the first A of T. And then that would make it an anagram. And then here, Leetcode, you can go through this, but this is right and that's right. So if you've done any anagram questions before, you would just instantly jump into counting letters, the occurrences of letters, called a frequency dict. So let's go ahead and create that. So we're gonna do freq equals default dict, and we're gonna be passing an integer since we're gonna be returning an integer. And then here we're just gonna count all of the occurrences of all the letters in S. And do for I in S, freq at S equals 1. Since we're using a default dict, we wouldn't have to check if it exists. And then now we just have to go through T. So for I in T, for this we would have to check if it exists, because it would just be 0 and we would just be minusing from 0. Oh, I did S. I minus equals 1, and then all we have to do now is return the sum of freq dot values. So what this is gonna do, we'll do a quick rundown. So this would add it all to the array, and then this would minus all the ones that are already here. So if we go through this would add B, A, and then B, so there'd be two B's. And then here, what this would do is it would minus an A. Now A is at 0. Would minus a B. Now B's at 0. And then since A doesn't exist, they would just leave it. And then that's how we would have 1. But this is what would make it leave, because 0 is a falsy value. So let's go ahead and run it. Indentation. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, this should be good. Alright, now let's submit it. Okay, and it's decently fast. So there's actually a one-liner to this with counters. If you want to do it, you could just go ahead and look at counters. I mean, even counting these, I'm pretty sure you can do with counters. But yeah, that's about it for today. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and then I'll be making one tomorrow as well.